just take you through, and that's the inside seating area. Very beautiful inside seat. Left hand side here we have another seating area. So we have some guests there, we won't bother those. Unique Japanese style seating area. Beautiful. Some of the beautiful sushi available here. It's very nice. So just from Kuta's there, just next door, we have a place called 16 Degrees. You just take a walk up the stairs there, and then as soon as we step foot inside, we have a beautiful pool table there, bar in the back. A pool bar at the back of the swimming pool here. There's a full view on your swimming pool. Wow, so beautiful. And then here's the swimming pool area. All the rooms all around. Oh la la, will you look at this? Wow, that looks fabulous. The bar. Hello, how are you? There's the bar area there. Just a good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Benesari. So Jalan Benesari is a very popular tourist street here in the Kuta area. It's home to many accommodation, restaurant, warung, shopping options. In today's video, my starting point is going to be where Jalan Lebak Bene and other sections of Jalan Benesari converge with this section of Jalan Benesari featured in today's video, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the street of Jalan Raya Legian, taking in all the hotel accommodation, restaurant, warungs and shop options along the way. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so this is the start point for today's video, directly in front of the camera. That's a section of Jalan Benesari. I've already covered that section in a video from this point here through to Poppy's Lane 2. This is another section of Jalan Benesari leading to Kuta Beach. I've just covered that section yesterday. Just behind me is the street of Jalan Lebak Bene. I've covered this in a section for coming in this direction from Jalan Benesari to this point here. In today's video, we're going to finish this area off and walk all the way to Jalan Raya Legian along Jalan Benesari. So just on the left hand side here, we have Eddie's Bali Tour Rent Car and Scooter. It's got a big collection of cars and scooters available for rent here at Eddie's. There's the WhatsApp telephone number on the base if you want to check out the prices. Nice collection of motorbikes available in the end there. Some more in the back there, and then the tourist office, booking office is in the back there. Just continuing on along the street, we've got a couple of empty buildings here. Just on the left here, this is the Loretta Restaurant and Bar. This is connected to the Grand La Walloon Hotel, or Wallon Hotel. Here's the inside of the, it's okay, yeah. Here's the inside of the restaurant. Have flat screen TVs up above there. Have a little surfboard shop across the street there. Just next door to a surf shop, we have Surfer and Traveller Medical Service. We have Leon Holiday Inc. Tattoo Studio. So that's for surfboards just across there. Here's the tattoo studio. Leon Inc. Holiday Inc. It's just in the back there. Have a BSV money changer just next door here. There's the exchange rates on the board today. Just in the back there, no commission. So there's a view of the Grand La Walloon Hotel, Legian. So we'll just take you inside the Grand La Walloon Legian Hotel. I've covered this hotel in a video if you want to see what the rooms and facility are like. Nice big Garuda up above there. Ooh la la. Parking at the front here. They also have basement parking, I think, as well. So just walking through, we have wheelchair and stair access here. Here's the main reception desk just to the right hand side there. There's a lobby area also to the right. And then just walking through, and in the back here also have elevators leading to the floors, and then just in the back here we have the swimming pool. There's quite a few people in here. And just walk to the end here. And a pool bar at the back of the swimming pool here. There's a full view on your swimming pool. Wow, so beautiful. So just coming out of the Grand Lawalon Hotel now, directly across the street there we have a Circle K convenience store. Snacks and drinks available in there. We have a place called R&B Kitchen and Bar. So we just cut across to R&B Kitchen and Bar. So there's a mixture of Western and Indonesian dishes available there at R&B Kitchen and Bar. There's a seating area right through into the back there. There's a few customers in the back. Just coming out of R&B. La la, crazy walking in and out of traffic. Just on this side here we have the Grand Lawalon Salon and Spa in the back there. We have a tattoo studio here. Not sure what that's called, but it's a tattoo studio and body piercing. Oh, Insanity Inc. is the name. Oh, it's here, Insanity Inc. There's the name up above there. Have a little tour booking service there, and a little money changer as well. Just across there we have another tattoo studio called Flash Inc. Have Pro Dive here. Bande Nere there, it's a restaurant, we'll take you in there in a moment. We'll just pick up this hotel here that we've just walked past. This is the Hotel Terrace. I've featured this hotel in the video. Okay, we'll just take you up and show you the swimming pool here at the Terrace Hotel. As I stated, I have featured this hotel in a video. So they have basement parking directly in front of the camera there, directly down there. Hello. Here's the reception area just to the left there. We do have elevators at this hotel to all of the rooms. There's the restaurant area here to the right. And then here's the swimming pool area, all the rooms all around. Okay, so just coming out of the Hotel Terrace now, so there's the Flash Inc. Very big tattoo studio that. Darkness in the back there. We have Pro Dive just in the back here. Paddy Dive Centre there. Sorry. Just across there we have Kuta's Bar and Grill also. We'll take you in Kuta's Bar and Grill if we can go inside first of all, and then we'll come back to Bande Nere. So there's the inside of Kuta's. Have a pool table on the side there. Just turning back we have Bande Nere. There's the flashing tattoo studios, very big that, all above there. We'll just take you across the street. Oh la la, will you look at this? Wow, that looks fabulous. Happy hour on the cocktails also. A little seating area here at the front. Some to the side, there's the name. And they've just opened the door for us now. We'll take you inside. Hello. And there's a beautiful inside seating area. So we have a beautiful collection of tables and chairs. There's a bar counter area to the side there. Also looks so they have wood-fired pizza. Some seating to the side here also. And then I just want to take you into the back here because it's a really beautiful seating area. Lots of pictures and things on the wall there. Okay, so just coming out of Bande Nere now, we'll continue walking up the street. So So we have like a little laundry shop on the side there. I think that's a little silver shop or something. We have a little kids clothing shop. So it's a place called Guest Laundry. Here we have a clothing shop. It's got some kiddies clothing, some Hulk, some Spider-Man, some Frozen, many kids clothing things inside there on both sides. Just coming out of a kids clothing shop just next door we have an Indo-Maret. Just go across to the Indo-Maret, we just turn back and give you another view on Kutas. So just from Kutas there, just next door, we have a place called 16 Degrees. We've just got permission, we'll go and take you around and show you inside this place. So we have the girls, have live music tonight. Starts at 8:30 p.m. Just take a, hello, how are you? Just take a walk up the stairs there, and then as soon as we step foot inside, we have a beautiful pool table there, bar in the back. Beautiful picture on the wall there with the monkey gorilla. We have a nice collection of seating all around, flat screen TVs. Seating by the side of the road there. So just coming out of 16 Degrees now, we'll continue walking up the street. Directly opposite 16 Degrees we have a place called New Surf and Turf Sports Bar and Grill there. Some nice food on the menu here. Before we take you inside, I'll just show you this. Happy hours every day. And then we just take you up the steps and inside the bar. Hello, how are you? There's the bar area there, just to the left-hand side. And then just turning around from a bar area, we have a seating area on the right-hand side here. And a pool table in the back here. Flat screen TVs also at the back there. Here's a full view on a seating area. So just from New Surf and Turf we continue walking up the street. Got a few tourists about here. Just on the opposite side of New Surf and Turf we have the Endless Ink Tattoo Studio. Just up those stairs there. We have Zen Spa, Zen Relax Spa, just up those stairs there. Let's see if we can pick the name up. It's called Zen Spa anyway, that one. Just directly opposite here we have a place called Benesari Sushi Bar. So we just take you inside Bene's now, so we have a nice seating area out the front here. We'll just show you some of the menu. It's a sushi place this. Some of the beautiful sushi available here. It's very nice on the pictures. I'll take you up the stairs here. A seating area to the left hand side here. A seating area to the right hand side also. There's some seating overlooking Jalan Benesari. I'll take you inside through the door now. As soon as we step foot inside, we have a seating area here. All of our sushi dishes also in the display there. There's a little counter area in the back. Beautiful light fittings. There's air conditioning here, super cool. And then just to the left hand side here, we have another seating area. So we have some guests there, we won't bother those. Unique Japanese style seating area. Beautiful picture painting on the wall there. And we have a beautiful seating area on the opposite side also. Okay, so we're just coming out of Bene's Sushi Bar now. A place called Uncle Bob Bar here. Appears to be closed. Not sure whether it's open later or not. Have Legian Clinic on the left here also. Dentist in there, dentist and a general doctor in there in Legian Clinic. Have a shop over here making surfboard covers and things. They're at work in the back there making all the surfboard covers. Got a guy here also selling some of the surfboards. You can usually put your name on all of these, all the different sayings on there. Many different ones available. Got a little restaurant across the way there also. Okay, so it's manic waiting for the traffic to clear here, but this place looks as though it specialises in smoothie bowls. 49k, that's a very good price that for a smoothie bowl. Come inside, more options available. Oh, look very delicious there if they come like that. Oh la la. Wow. Bali Vibe by Veganlicious. That's the name of the place. And then here's the inside, so just to the right is a seating area. And then just to the left is a counter area. Okay, so just from Veganlicious there, directly opposite we have a Thai body massage. Laurenisha Spa or something it's called, this one. Just take you closer so you can see. It's Thai body massage, a few customers inside already. La la, look at this traffic. So just cutting back out from our Thai body massage, we have a place called Good in Bread here. Hello. So there's the name up above, Good in Bread. So we've just got permission to take you inside Good in Bread. So just to the left here we have a nice little seating area overlooking Jalan Benesari. Some nice decoration on the wall there. Some beautiful seating area to the right hand side here. Nice decoration on the wall there again. And now we'll take you inside. We've got glass doors leading inside. So directly ahead of us there is a counter area. There's the staff behind there. I'll just show you some of these beautiful cakes and things available here. Oh la la, that looks like a vanilla slice. Very nice. Many beautiful cakes and things available here. And then we just take you we'll just take you through, and there's the inside seating area. Very beautiful inside seating area here. Now we have another nice area here at the back. Big sign on the wall there, Good in Bread. Okay, so just coming out of Good in Bread now. As I've just come out, there's just been a couple of customers that have just gone inside there. Please make allowance, it is 3 p.m. in the afternoon, so it's not going to be too empty. And now we just walk up the street here. Now we're arriving at the very popular street of Jalan Raya Legian. This is a very big long street, connects Kuta, Legian and Seminyak together. Just walk in a straight line. Straight ahead is Jalan Pati Mura. Just directly across there. This is Jalan Legian heading towards the central Kuta area. This is Jalan Legian heading towards Legian and Seminyak areas. Here's the beer cycle bus here. See all of the people on the beer cycle. Hey! Okay, so that concludes today's video. My street walk along a section of the street of Jalan Benesari here in the Kuta area. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, you've got a few hotel accommodation options featured in today's video. Great collection of restaurant warungs and bars all along the street there. Not a great deal in the way of tourist shopping, but there is a lot more tourist shopping on the street of Jalan Benesari itself, or just head up to Jalan Raya Legian. All in all, this is just a very popular tourist area here in the Kuta area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe going to pay some of these places a visit during your holiday stay here in Kuta. And I shall say bye for now.